Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you how easy banking works. So if you have an equity account, if you have an account in Equity Bank and maybe you want to gain easy access to your account wherever you are, I'm going to be showing you how easy banking works. So to get this, all you have to do is go to your Google Play Store and you can search for Equity Bank and it will pop up at the top. So it will bring many options, so you have to download only this easy banking because it has very many different options. So if you like search for Equity Bank, sometimes it brings more option, mobile banking and what. All you have to do is download the easy banking app. So after downloading it, I've already downloaded it, all you have to do is open it. So you just open it and you will fill in your bank details to log in. So after logging in, they will send you your PIN, and you can set your fingerprint or you can use a PIN to log in. So before I go into the app, all I'm going to show you first is what is included in the app. So the first thing is send money to bank. Here you just tap here and you just put in your phone number, the number where you want to get money from to send it to your bank. After putting in the number, the next step you put in the next step. For example, after putting in the number, the next step you enter the amount. After entering the amount, they will deduct that amount. They will send you a code where you can you put in a PIN and money will go to your account. The next thing is you can withdraw on Airtel or on MTN. So if you have an Airtel or an MTN line, you can withdraw money from your bank account to any of the lines you wish to. Maybe you're sending to a family member, maybe to a friend, so you can send money from your account to anyone. And another thing, you can buy airtime, strictly airtime. So you can buy airtime for any number. You just put the number, you just place here and you choose the number you want to buy for AfriCell Airtel. Currently they have only those three that they are supporting in my country at the moment, but it depends where you are and the service you will get. It applies to Airtel Money. You just put in the number and for example, you just put in the number, you place next. I've written a wrong number, but you just put in the number, you put in the amount, then you put in your PIN, and then money will be withdrawn from your account, same as Airtel Money. Then another thing is pay bills. Here you can pay any bill you can think of. If you go to categories, you can pay utilities, that's electricity, water. You can pay university bills, church, if you want to give to churches. So it has many features where you can pay for. And if you come here, you can pay for your taxes and stuff. So it has many features. So if you press on utilities, you see TVs, anything you want to pay for, they are here. DSTV. If you go to schools, they show you the schools they support at the moment where you can pay from, and they are very many. If you go to churches, they are there. You just place on it and select where you want to send the money. Then another thing, when you're going to withdraw from an agent, maybe you have forgot your ATM home. Your ATM, you have forgot it home and you don't have it on you. You don't want to go to the bank, or where you are, you don't have any bank, and you can get an agent. So you can go there and withdraw. All you do is place here and you put in the details. After putting in the details, you put in enter the agent's number. After entering the agent's number, you enter in the amount you want to withdraw, then your PIN, and money will be deducted and you'll be able to get your money. So you go to the loan section. This is the loan section. Maybe you have a loan or you want to request for a loan. They show you the loan you can request for. You just put in the details you request for a loan, and if you're eligible for that, they will give you that money straight to your account. You don't have to go through any steps, signing documents and what. So they'll be showing you what loan you can get at the moment, depending on how your account works, or your account is, the way how your account is active. Then the last thing is withdraw from the ATM. So here, if you want to withdraw money from the ATM and you don't have an ATM card, all you do is come here and place on the ATM. You enter the amount. After entering the amount, maybe I want to withdraw 50, then you enter your PIN. After entering your PIN, they will send you a code that you will put to the ATM, and you'll be able to get your money, because when you're withdrawing from an ATM, the charges are very little. The charges are less. So if you're near an ATM, you can go there and withdraw your money. And another thing I want to show you here, apart from this that we covered, it has also where you can see rates. If you want to transact money, it has where you can see rates. So they show you here the rate at which they buy a certain amount, and at the rate they sell a certain amount. So for example, right now a euro, they buy it at this amount, and they will sell it to you at this amount. So if you find the rates are favorable for you, you can go there maybe and buy if you're traveling, or if you have your money and you want to exchange it with the local currency, you can go there after seeing if the currencies are favorable. The next thing, when you want to log in into your account, it has two options. And after creating your account, you have in the login. When you place there, it brings you to put in your PIN. So you just input your PIN and you will log in automatically. So, and another step is using your fingerprint. You set your fingerprint to use it as your logging in option. So you just press on your fingerprint and it will pop up on the screen. You put in, or you just put in your fingerprint and you will log in. So, and mostly most of the things you need to access your account, you get to them when you open the app there, and then when you open the app. So when you log into your account, it will just show you the amount you've been depositing and the amount you have on your account. So for example, let me log into my account. I've used my fingerprint to log in. As you see, it will just show me the dates and what I've been putting on my account, deposits, withdrawals, depending on how I was using my account at the date. So, and if you place on these dots here, this will be your account number. So if I place on those dots, it will just bring your details on top, and account summary will be the first one. Then your account summary will be the first one, then your account, then card and loans. For loans, we had covered it. You just see your loan limit and stuff. Then for card, if you have any card linked to your account, it will be there, and that's your account. So account summary, it shows you the balance you have on your account. So it just shows you overall the balance you have on your account. And that's it, mainly what you get when you open your account. You don't get much, because when you tap on display also, it will show you the balance you have on your account. And that's it for easy banking. Hopefully this video was quite helpful to show you how to get through setting up your easy banking account. And guys, thanks for watching. See you next time.